Always alerting, always tracking. This is Next Weather.
You know, Casey, I think today was the first day that I wasn't shivering when I was walking to the car. I didn't have the seat warmer on in the last few days.
I mean, especially when we talk about we had the 40s for the first time in nearly 2 years on Thursday. Big time differences this morning where many of us are running anywhere between 10 to even closer to 20 degrees warmer than this time yesterday. This all comes ahead of, though, another cool down. Yes, we're already tracking our next front that's currently pushing through the middle portion of the state. Rain out ahead of that. That's continuing to approach our area. You can see how it's been working its way to the south and east here. In fact, if we put a timer on this line moving at roughly about 20-21 miles per hour. So this is a rough estimate of when you can expect to see some showers. The Parkland area within about the next hour or so. Pompano Beach closer to about the 10:43, 10:45 time frame, and that will continue to work its way through the southeast as we head into later this morning and into early this afternoon. Out the door right now, as we take a live look out across Biscayne Bay, currently dry, temperatures warm, and notice these winds are starting to pick up a little bit out ahead of the front, but the direction out of the southwest, that's what's keeping us so mild this morning. 72 degrees in Miami, 72 right now in Fort Lauderdale. A lot of us will be making a run towards 80 degrees before this front moves through for this afternoon. So a warm passing line of showers as the front clears the area, and then we'll be looking at a drier day for your Sunday and a little bit cooler behind that front, at least for the tail end of the weekend. Some needed rain, though, on the way. Timing this out as we get closer to about 10:30, 11 o'clock. We start to see that approach areas like Broward County. Again, as you just saw that timer, Pompano Beach, you can expect this around 10:45. Fort Lauderdale, I would anticipate to see some of these showers move through at about 11 a.m. So that's where you may need the umbrella if you're heading out at that point in time. Miami, we can expect this around noon to 1 o'clock. This will continue to work its way from northwest to southeast through the Keys by 1 o'clock this afternoon, and then eventually starts to clear the area as we get closer to about 3, 4 o'clock. We'll be drying things out, rain chances decreasing, and then some cooler, drier air settling in tonight. So no rain for your Saturday evening plans. In fact, tomorrow will be a nice dry day with just a few passing clouds and a little less humid. High temperatures today, though, again, closer to 80 degrees for some areas. We'll get close in Miami at 79 degrees, Homestead at 79 today, middle 70s for the Keys and up through Fort Lauderdale. Tonight, we will be feeling a little bit cooler. We fall back into those middle and upper 50s as we start the day for your Sunday, and tomorrow will be a little bit cooler as far as those highs go. We'll be knocking temperatures down by around 4 or 5 degrees compared to where they will be today, with highs in the upper 60s down to the Keys tomorrow. Now that front moves on through. Another front on the way for Tuesday into Wednesday time frame that's going to increase those rain chances yet again. And this front likely will be the stronger out of the two. It's behind this one that I think we'll see the return of highs in the 60s for the tail end of the work week. So we'll need those jackets back out. Lows in the lower 50s returning for Thursday, and we could see the return of 40-degree lows even in Miami by Friday.